Place the unit on the flat platform. Remove all protective foam. Connect the power cord into a proper receptacle. Power on the unit. Unit will be in warm-up mode. Allow 30 minutes for the heaters to reach operating temperature. Upper shelf, upper heater. Upper shelf, lower heater. Lower shelf, upper heater. Lower shelf, lower heater. Now is showing actual temperature. Setting the temperature. Press Set Point button to show Set Point Temperature. Press and hold the Set Point Temperature button for 5 seconds. The program LED will light up. Press the up and down arrow button until the desired set point temperature on display. And press the Prince Castle logo button to save. Repeat steps to set up other set point temperature. Select temperature display. Press and hold the down arrow button. Turn on power. Temperature display will appear Celsius. Press and hold the up arrow button. Turn on power. Temperature display will appear Fahrenheit.